Hi yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra and I'm going to take you through a really gentle evening yoga stretch to help you unwind from the day and get ready for bed. So no props required, and we're just going to start sitting, working on a little neck release here. So as you lift up, roll your shoulders down and away from your ears, and we'll just do little half moon circles. So you can drop your head over to one side and try to keep your chin lifted when it's over to the side. Breathing in and out through your nose, and really slowly you can start to tuck your chin down until it comes all the way down to the center of your chest. And don't let your spine round here. And keep rolling all the way over to the other side. And going all the way back, so tucking the chin in and down. And we'll lift all the way back up through to center. And just go ahead and turn your head over to one side as far as you can. And then turn it all the way over to the other side. And now drop one ear to one shoulder. And the other ear to the other shoulder. And we'll do that one more time. So turning chin and chin, and then ear and the other ear. And now head to neutral. Just drop your chin directly down towards your chest. Roll your shoulders back. Soften your jaw. And then maybe you lift your chin up slightly, stretching through the front of your neck. And all the way back. Take a few shoulder rolls here. And expand out through your arms. Make little fists. And take a few little wrist rolls in both directions. Spread your fingertips nice and wide and close them in. And just open and close a little bit here, generating a little bit of heat through your forearms, through your wrist. Keep dropping your shoulders down and go ahead and shake it out. Right hand forward. You can use your left hand to pull the fingers back. Try to keep your thumb uncurled so it's nice and straight. So start with just the four fingers. And we'll go and do the same thing on the other side. Left palm facing forward. Curl those four fingers back. Try not to curl your thumb. It is hard to isolate it from the others. Relax your shoulders. Stay lifted up tall. And now to stretch the thumb, you'll want to turn your palm to face up and grab a hold of your thumb. Palm spreads wide, and you're just trying to pull your thumb towards the side of your forearm. Keep the other four fingers spreading really wide here. And shake it out. Other side, spread wide. Hold on to the thumb and pull it in. So it's not pulling down like what we were doing with the other fingers, it's pulling to the side. And let's release. Reach one arm all the way up and over. Big side body stretch. Inhale lifts you up and back. Switch sides. Inhale up into a twist. And another twist. Facing forward once more. Take a butterfly fold. I'll just turn to the side here. Soles of your feet together, knees apart, and make this more of a passive forward fold. So you're just letting yourself naturally round and relax into the pose. Releasing any tension from your day. physical as well as mental and emotional. This is your opportunity to rest and to restore. Walk your hands back in. And bend into your knees so your feet are flat to the floor. Seated pigeon pose. Cross your right ankle over the top of your thigh. And if you'd like, you can bring that heel in a little closer. And just rocking a little bit side to side. Inviting that right hip and right glute to release. Keeping your chest lifted. Slide your left foot forward to uncross, and we'll go to the other side. Left ankle crosses, bring that right foot in. And right foot extends. Let's release tabletop pose on hands and knees just for a few rounds of cat and cow. So you'll want to bring your hands under your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze, broaden through your heart. Exhale, contract and round it in. Keep going here, flowing through those two poses. Focusing on the front of your body and the back of your body. Take one last cycle here. Inhale. Breathe open. Exhale. Contract. Coming back to neutral, we'll find thread the needle. Reach your right arm up to the sky. And then thread that arm underneath you, shoulder and ear lower to the floor. And you can push into your left hand. Lower belly is hugging in. Push into your left palm to unwind. Re-extend your right arm up. Tabletop pose. Second side, left arm stretches up. Exhale. Thread it through. Gently placing your ear on the mat. And you can keep pushing in your right hand to twist even deeper. Push into the palm to come out. Re-extend your left arm up. And hand comes down to the mat. And let's go ahead and lay down on our bellies. Take a little Sphinx pose. So slide your forearms out in front of you. Open up through your chest. And really pull your heart forward. Lengthen out and reach through your toes. Roll your shoulders back. Soften all the way down, and you can just flip over so that you're laying on your back. It might feel good to pull your knees in towards your belly, giving it a big squeeze here. Maybe rocking a little bit side to side. Making any little movements and adjustments. We'll take a short little Shavasana here. Extend out with your arms and your legs. Just really take up some space. And feel yourself connect to the earth beneath you. Feeling your facial muscles soften and relax. No tension around your eyes, around your jaw, around your neck, around your shoulders. Really letting this go. finding your own natural breath rhythm, and just pausing here for a few moments of silence and stillness. And you can start to deepen your breath, waking yourself up slowly again with some gentle, simple movements. And you can roll to one side, push your hands into the floor to lift up and take a seat. Really feeling the length in your spine. Draw your hands at your heart. Maintaining a lift out of your low back, steady breath rhythm. We'll close our practice with the chant of Om one time. Inhale to chant, breathe in. Om. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this practice with me. I do hope you enjoyed it and that you feel ready for a great night's rest. If you'd like to do a little bit more before you head off to bed, I'd recommend this video right here. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I'll practice with you again soon, hopefully. Namaste.